What's going on, everybody? Russell here, aka your favorite medic. It is about 7:30 at night. I've been doing a lot of these videos later at night, just getting some more stuff during the day done. Cool news now is I actually went and picked up a table at the Goodwill for $5. You heard $5. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with all these hot buns. They're gonna get bad. I don't know. Maybe I'll have a little party here. But all this stuff I need to take care of. All it was basically on the floor, but now it's up off the floor, which is nice. Anyway, so the point of this video, I'm gonna be doing a quick review on a product that I got in. These guys were nice enough to send me actually a few of these. They are called the Carwash cover. So the cool thing about this is I've talked about it in my another video whenever I first got them, is that you throw this on top of the brush so you don't get all the nastiness of the brush and you don't scratch your paint. And if there's like rocks or anything in there, you don't chip your paint. The nice thing is right now is it was raining earlier, it's not raining anymore, and the weather is supposed to be holding off. No more rain for the rest of the night. So I'm gonna go wash this since it did rain the last couple days. And you guys can see it's still wet. It was raining earlier when I went out. I want to clay bar the rest of the car and get all the dirt and grime off of it. So I'm going to head to do the coin wash real quick, use this, and if you guys stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to give you details how you, yourself, yes you, could win one of these. If it holds up. If I like it, I'm going to give away a couple of them because I have 3 of them sitting here. But you guys got to watch till the end of the video. So let's go. I got this nice new vanilla air freshener because I like vanilla. Before this gets out of hand, I just realized I'm chewing gum and I hate shooting these videos with gum in my mouth, and I know you guys too. You guys do too. Hate watching me shoot these videos with gum in my mouth. That was weird. You just did yourself and myself a favor. So anyways, let's head over to the, actually let's shut my door first. Working. Is it working? Yeah, it's working. Okay. And we're off. Alright, so first things first, let's crack this bad boy open. So it says that this is called the Carwash brush cover. Like I said, these guys were cool enough to hit me up on Instagram and say, hey, can you shoot a little review for me? But that was back in the winter at some point. And I was like, hey, like, I'm going to, like, I think it's a pretty cool product. You guys know me, I don't have anything really to wash my car back at the apartment. They don't really like us doing that. And I drive so much that me hitting a quick paint spray is nice. And there's actually another stall at this place specifically. It's like the no-touch washes, which just doesn't really work very well. But I'm going to mock this up real quick and see exactly how it works. The link for the description, link for the product in the description. And like I said, I'm going to give one of these away so you guys can stick around to the end of the video to find out how to do it. Stupid wind sucks. I hate this wind. It sucks. But anyways, so it looks like to me like how this works. Actually, let's look and see. I think there's actually instructions on it. Oh yeah, rinse your car thoroughly, wet the car wash cover, rinse harmful debris from unprotected brush, apply your car wash cover to the brush, select foam, soap, wash up, blah blah blah. Basically, this just goes right over top of the brush, and then it has a little tiny hole right here just so that the soap can still come through. It feels really nice. It looks nice on camera. And again, hopefully this isn't too windy. Hopefully we're getting some good audio. If the audio is bad, I'm sorry. But alright guys, so whoop. It looks like it, yeah. It fits really nice and snug and tight. I should try and show you here real quick. It's on there, it's completely protected, looks pretty good, and it's still able to have the foam come out. So I'm going to go ahead and wash the car and then get the rest of this going. it is freaking getting cold outside. Let me wipe you guys off. Worked out pretty well. I thought that was pretty cool. One thing I will say is whenever I first initially started using it, I kind of had to readjust it. Just to be able to get the foam to come out and everything, which is fine. I'll have to check and see exactly how much it is, but it's a pretty cool little tool to have in your detailing box, you know, especially just to keep in your car. And, oh, I'm out of breath. But, yeah, anyways, pretty cool. I'll meet you guys back at the garage. Alright guys, so we're back at my garage, made it back. I'm gonna give you guys a final kind of shakedown, breakdown on this thing. So, it worked pretty well. I think one of the only issues I had with it initially was trying to get the foam to come out. That's why there's like kind of this little hole right here to let the foam come out. But once you get it secured on there, it's really not bad at all. I'm gonna let it dry here and then just kind of hang it up wherever I can and throw it in the back of my car. So next time when I'm out and I need to wash my car at one of those places and I don't want to use the brush, I could use that, which would be pretty sweet. So I'm gonna post, I'll put in the video right now, a screenshot of their website. I think, like I said, it's not that expensive. Anyway, so I'm gonna give one of these away right now. And for everybody who's stuck around and watched this video, it's now your time to realize what happens. The first person, actually, no, I take that back. The person who can guess the closest mileage on my car, what's on my car right now, I'm gonna stop it right now. I'll send you one of these. I'll send you a message, send you one. You'll be hooked up, ready to rock and roll. Hopefully this video is gonna drop by midnight tonight. Today is the 25th, so I guess 0000 of the 26th. It'll end 00, quadruple 0, 27. I'll send you a message, give your info, and I'll send you one. Also, the guys that are on my Instagram, thank you for watching and coming over here. I gave you guys a little bit of a heads up, and I'm gonna send whoever one of these two. So, anyways, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Quick little short, just a review. I'd like to start doing more of this kind of stuff, just to be able to let you guys know. And man, I say "and" a lot. But the rest of my plans for tonight are going to be edit this video, get it uploaded by midnight, and then I'm going to come back downstairs, put my headphones on, and clay bar the rest of my car. Because look at this, like, hopefully a lot of this stuff is going to come out. Hopefully. So. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, drop me a comment, let me know what you're thinking. And I'm probably gonna be shooting a weekly update, some updates with a couple things, especially with the S2000 here pretty soon. So if you have any questions for that, drop them below. But anyways, have a nice night. Peace.